Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google Translate in the Facebook Messenger app. To use Google Translate in the Messenger app, you'll need to follow these steps. 1. Launch the Messenger app on your mobile device, which I have done right here. Navigate to the conversation with the message you want to translate. Next, tap and hold the message until you see the copy option. Tap copy to copy the text to your clipboard. So, tapping and holding this message, and at the bottom, click on copy, and that message will be copied. So once that's been copied, the next step is to launch the Google Translate app on your device. And if you do not have it installed, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. But if you don't want to use the Google Translate application, then you can just get it done in the web. So just open in the browser of your choice. I'm actually using Chrome. And in the search bar, you're going to have to type Google Translate. Translator. So here you go. Then open the Google Translate website. Now over here it says enter text. So you can just enter the text here. Remember, we copied the text from Messenger, right? So now in this Google Translate, all you need to do is to tap the input area and hold until the paste option appears. Then tap paste to insert the copy text. So this is the input area, paste, and this is it. How do you do? Now choose the source language, that's the language of the text you copied, and the target language, which is the language you want to translate the text into. So over here is the source language, then, which is English as detected, and this is the target language. I have Russian, so I set it to Russian. Okay, then the next thing is to tap the translate button, which is just here, this arrow. So just tap on the translate button, and once you do that, check below. You will see how do you do in the Russian language, which is displayed here, which is the kak something over there. That's kak dela. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can translate languages using Google Translate from the Messenger app or in the Messenger app. Now I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.